So we're at the mall today. I came to get something. I've been wanting for a really long time, so let's go. See what the bag, guys.
Get it check-in.
How are you feeling? Your first flight. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling
It's first flight, guys. We're going to Joburg for the Potatoes Essay Symposium.
Oh yeah, potatoes.
So yeah, it's also my first domestic flight.
But it could have to go.
But yeah, we're hoping it's gonna be a fun trip. Vital. Someone is nervous.
I'm not nervous.
It's nervous. Lach, Michaela.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So guys, we just landed in Joburg. Because I do get our bags.
Really confident now. We made it.
Yeah, first flight I was
Fire.
Stop the cap.
My pilot knew what he was doing.
we just gotta get our bags and then we'll be on our
And
way.
there was no photos.
Bruh.
There was no bottles. And we'll be on our way to Polokwane. Stop at the Cecil Bakery. We are almost in Polokwane. Bathroom break. Get a quick drink. So yeah. How did you sleep?
Really, really nice.
Very nice.
Outside of the crowd, just looked really, really nice.
I'm glad. Yeah, guys, we're having some breakfast now. And then we got the conference afterwards. So, yeah. So we're at the conference. Full day of the conference and we have a gala evening tonight and we're flying back tomorrow.
For the love of it.
Guys, let's take a minute for the fit. Tell us what you're wearing today, Clint.
Blue suede loafers from Laura Piani.
Just
Some fitted chinos
yeah,
from Shoot Supply. T-shirt is Ace off.
yeah.
Belt is by Zara. Watch is HS.
Just a Rolex.
Met deze fragrant is Creed. Absolutely, what is it? Absolutely something.
Yes.
And it's been laid with Tom Ford, fucking fabulous.
Some lions.
Hey.
I called him like that, my bro. Really?
He's facing that side. He's busy chowing. He's busy eating there.
They're chowing, yeah.
Guys, you need to stand up. There's people looking at you guys. Check.
Chasing away from his food.
Yeah. Mostly in the wild, those females do the hunting. They work and he eats first.
Sounds like most of South Africa.
Sounds familiar, eh?
That's crazy. Samba.
A way of communicating. Got two prides here. The other pride might have rolled and he's rolling back as well to say, this place is already occupied, I'm here. So yeah, stay away. Yes. These are my ladies.
Yeah, waiting that you can
I did again.
flight is in like 2 hours, so we have some time to chill. Yeah, see you guys when you get down. Yo, my bro. I'm so old now.
30.
It's pretty old, guys.
But they're sensitized with 30.
I had to say bye to my 20s, but yeah, that's life. Grab some gelato out here in Camps Bay. 30 going on, I don't know what. Yeah, automatically opens. Unfortunately on GTIs or VW we do not have that, guys. Car guys, Audi. Look at this man's doppies. Oh, you mal. Like bullets. And this man just laugh at me. What do you call that stuff?
Doppies.
Doppies, yeah, I call it doppies. Got the breakfast run tomorrow. So yeah, we're just chilling. We're gonna get an early night tonight because we gotta be up early. But for now, yeah, just enjoying the cars. So guys, just pulled up to Car Guys breakfast run. We are planning to leave soon. Look who's pulling up here. Says laat. Away?
You good?
Lekker, lekker. Oh yeah, the man is back. Car guy himself. Made it to the meetup spot, which is Engine Falls by One Stop. Yeah, a lot of cars here already. The main guy's car as well. We even have a cop body for us here. Lol, jokes. Get me a pink one. You're the last one. What are you getting? Oh yeah, you a monster guy, man. Guys, I really wish they would bring back the winter flavor of this. It was too good. But for now, this will do. Cheers. Was here today. Oh, double. The Audis pulled through really strong today. We are literally part of the only VWs here. So it's basically an Audi breakfast run. We're just here for backup support. Guys, it's always the BFs that's so rebellious. Feeling good? How do you feel about us being like not that many today?
What did you say? We're just here for support.
We're just here for bottle support, guys, for the Audis. How you feeling, bruh?
Look, as a moral supporter, you can only moral support. That's how I'm feeling.
Guys, we'll take a win. Another golf order just pulled up, so I mean the VW crew, we're growing slowly but surely. We're growing.
And I need to speak English now also. Okay, so I'm glad all the people came out. We came all the way from Paul. If you guys didn't support the channel, we would not be able to reach this. I think I'm the only car YouTuber in the Western Cape that got a 100,000 plaque.
Hey, come on!
Feels quite cheap to be honest.
We're moving out now, guys.
Need for speed climbing to the course.
Let's go. guys know the VW crew had to stick together. Want is net Audi's hier buiten. Guys, we made it.
Good.
Starving.
My guy, how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm starving as well.
Yeah, we're gonna eat now, guys. We're gonna eat now. Guys, we just finished up at Elgin and we're gonna head out to Frankfurt. See you guys later. So guys, we decided to stop here at the Theewaterskloof Dam. You can see all the cars lining up all the way till up there. The guys are gonna do some pulls for us now. Sheesh, bro. Bruh, are you still alive?
I have to myself my 1.4 hour. Never been in a car that big before.
Truly insane.
I'm like this. Yeah.
This is what you just saw drive past.
This
Damn. One day you say.
One day.
So we made it to our final stop here in Franschhoek. It's been a fun day, eventful day, a lot of driving, so super fun, a lot of fast cars. The Audi turnout was on another level, but yeah, Car Guy is part of the Audi Outcast group, so definitely check his channel out. Thanks to Car Guy.
our way.
It was solid his first run, but it was really fun.
It
Thanks.
turned out like better than I expected actually. All thanks to Risa also for coming out with the GTI. We
Yeah,
have a
the
lot
three
of,
GTIs that pulled up.
yeah, we have Audis, we have VWs. It's basically like a German run, so to say.
Yeah,
Guys, there was one BMW, but luckily he behaved. so
yeah,
that's
he
fine.
was okay. He didn't spin or anything
Nothing
like that.
yeah.
Just wanted to say thanks. It was
yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
It was fun. It
Guys,
was
we
fun.
have a night run as well. So make sure to subscribe to Risa's channel.
And to our guy.
Yeah, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Cheers, guys. I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys made it this far, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, comment your favorite part of the video. And yeah, that's another breakfast run done and dusted, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.